Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play eFootball on PS5 with two controllers. First, make sure both of your PlayStation 5 DualSense controllers are fully charged and ready to go. Power on your PlayStation 5 console. Then, connect your first controller by pressing the PlayStation button. Repeat this process for your second controller, ensuring both are wirelessly connected and recognized by your console. You should see two distinct user profiles assigned, one for each controller, before launching the game. Once both controllers are connected to your PlayStation 5, launch the eFootball game. After the game loads, you'll typically need to navigate to an offline or local match mode. The game is designed to detect multiple connected controllers. It will then prompt you to assign each one. Simply select Player 1 for the first controller and Player 2 for the second, confirming their roles for the upcoming match. This step is crucial for two-player local gameplay. With your controllers assigned, it's time to pick your game mode. From the eFootball main menu, look for the Match option. Within this section, you'll find Local Match. This is the specific mode you need to select for two players on the same console. Make sure to avoid any online modes, as those are for internet play. After selecting Local Match, you can then proceed to choose your favorite teams and adjust any desired match settings. You're almost ready to kick off. After selecting your teams and customizing any match settings, take a moment to review everything. Ensure both players are happy with their team choices and the game rules. Once everyone is set, simply press the designated button, usually indicated on the screen, to start the eFootball match. Now you can enjoy a fantastic two-player local game with a friend right on your PlayStation 5 console. Have fun!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.